Okay, here we are pulling into our vacation home in Newport, Oregon. Do you know the address? Ladies and gentlemen, Joel Solo TV welcomes you to the Newport Beach Vacation Home.
Oh, now I can see the beach.
This is exactly how the Joel Solo TV crew does it. Hello?
We're not here yet. I'll see the car parked in.
Here's the kitchen to the left. This is our first time staying here. Nice center island stove, nice sink. We haven't even got to the view yet. The view is amazing. Over here, washing machine, sink, way to the kitchen. What did you find?
Come here.
What?
I'm the kid's dad.
You did?
Yeah, it's right here. See?
Where did you find the kids
right
attic?
See? There's a stair. See?
That's the kids attic up there?
I get.
You better go check it out. Let me see you up there. You want to open the...
Oh.
What? What's over here?
Whoa.
So this is the great room right here. The living room. What a beautiful home.
I found it.
Beautiful vaulted ceiling. Two-story room. Two-story level home.
Where are you guys, Mama?
Here.
Whoa.
Wow. Bedroom. Nice little sunroom here. Lock door. Wow, look at this. We got our own little private deck. Wow. Bathroom, shower. Let's go check out the upstairs.
Yeah. You better come up here. Awesome.
Okay.
Looks sweet.
Wow. So this is, I'm assuming, the master bedroom.
This can be Grandma and Grandma's bedroom.
Beautiful, huh?
Hey, telescope.
Wow. They got their own little private deck.
Oh, what is this?
Beautiful view from the bedroom. Beautiful, beautiful view. Little private balcony off the master bedroom. Master bath, double sink, shower, toilet. No tub, huh?
No.
Surprised there's no tub. This is another bedroom.
Oh, Oh yeah, check that bedroom out. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's just another. It's like a game room. This is a game room. This Zan's game room here.
Yeah, that was.
This is the kids center. And look at the view. The view here is outstanding too. Got a nice little balcony as well. The beach is huge.
Let's come out here in this. Whoa.
I'm assuming it's low tide right now because that beach is huge.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Xander's playroom.
You walk, you see the better car, you walk this way.
Yeah, to access the
Mom,
beach.
can you follow me? I'm gonna go outside, see what goes up.
Should we go out front and see the front yard?
Yes,
Let's
sure.
go.
Good.
Oh, we can walk.
Let's go. Check it out.
I'm gonna check something out.
Nice house.
We have this room, right?
I think I like this one better than the other one.
Now? No, I mean
This
the
is
room.
our room here, yeah.
Where's the TV here?
No TV.
TV?
No TV.
Well, I guess we have to watch upstairs.
Yep, that's right.
Come out here. Come out here.
Huh? What's this? Oh, the hall light. Come out this way, Zan.
And I want you to come.
Go, go, go.
Whoa.
Where's your shoe?
So okay.
It's okay.
What?
Uh-oh. Locked out. It's a nice sun deck if it gets too windy. Wow, look at that front yard.
Yeah, the beach house is going.
Here's the front yard.
Hey, Dad, let's go check out front.
We'll go check out front? Alright, go ahead, go. Nice stone path. Walkway. Beautiful view. I love the smell. Oh wow, nice barbecue. Here's our neighbors.
Dad, do you have keys
To go where?
to go there? I wonder if that's garage.
I left the keys inside. It might be the garage in there. Oh, look at this little yard area.
Because then we so.
This is nice. Wow, look at the tree. Look what's growing on the tree, little apples.
Dad, meet me on. I'll get the keys. Mama, come with me.
Why we have key?
No, well, I'm to see if that's garage.
Oh, you cannot access to the garage. Oh, what is this?
Little apple. Little sour apple, probably. Keys inside.
Let's go look out front.
Let's go. Push. Might be locked still, huh? We gotta go around where we came in. We'll have to go unlock
No, this
those.
one unlock on the top.
Have to go unlock those doors. Look at that nice little booth.